September events announcement is here and I'm super excited to share this news with you guys. Apple sent the press invitation for this event yesterday and this event's tagline is Far Out. And in this video, we'll try to break down this invitation as we all know that Apple likes to leave some Easter eggs in their invitation. And along with that, we'll obviously be talking about the devices that are rumored to launch in this event. So let's get started. So the invite mentions that Apple will unveil new gadgets on September 7 at 10:30 PM in India. And this time we will have this theme of space, stars or galaxy. So does this mean that iPhone 14 series will have the periscope lens to capture better photos of moons or stars? Or maybe satellite connectivity? Well, maybe. Personally, I'm still a little skeptical on this one. But I believe it's Apple we're talking about and they have a history of shocking us all at last moment. If I talk about the devices that are expected to launch, then right off the bat there's gonna be iPhone 14 series with major changes in Pro models, where the notch will be replaced by hole and pill-shaped front camera and the regular 12 megapixel rear camera will be replaced by a new and much better 48 megapixel lens. And only because of these improvements, even though the iPhone 14 series will be made in India, but still this year's Pro model will potentially be costlier by $100 than last year's Pro models. If you'd like to know more about iPhone 14 series, then we have dedicated playlists that you can check out by tapping on this I button. And you know what? Interestingly, there are some rumors of Apple launching the 14 mini instead of the 14 Max. Well, I know it is shocking for almost all of us, but yeah, that's what they might be planning to do. And along with the new 14 lineup, we also expect Apple to release 3 new Apple Watch models, the Apple Watch Series 8, an updated Apple Watch SE, and another Apple Watch that will be focused on extreme sports or it might target some pro users. This new watch is expected to have all the goodness of Watch Series 8 with rugged metal casing and a brand new sensor to detect wearers' body temperature and will overall offer a product that is aimed at hikers and athletes to rival brands like Garmin. Another thing that I expect Apple to launch or at least announce in this event is AR headset. I know. It's not likely happening this soon, but let's face it, AR headset launch is long overdue now. And the event's name itself, Far Out, suggests that this event will be focused on technology that is far in future, that is virtual reality. So yeah, that's it. What else do you think Apple will be launching in this event? Refresh iPads? New AirPods? I don't know. Let me know in the comment sections down below. Well, that is it for this one. If you like to stay updated with everything Apple, then make sure you hit the like button and subscribe button and download the iGeeksBlog app from the App Store. This is me here signing off and I'll see you in the next one.